Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Now we are going to see how to make Chettinad chicken gravy. Heat a pan, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 clove, small sized cinnamon, 1 dried red chili, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Dry roast it for 2 minutes. Transfer this into blender jar. Add 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add 150 grams of shallots. Saute it until it becomes brown. Transfer this into a blender jar. Add quarter cup of grated coconut. Saute it around 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer this to blender jar. Add some coriander leaves with this. Now grind it as nice paste. Heat a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heated, add 1 bay leaf, 10 chopped shallots. Saute it around 2 minutes. 1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes away. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Saute it until the tomatoes are cooked well. Now add the masala paste, which we have prepared earlier. Now add little amount of water. With this, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it. Now add the chicken pieces. And add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Close it and cook around 15 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander leaves, and turn off. Chettinad chicken gravy is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching.